Hey guys, I've been hacked and I need your help. Someone's done a total hatchet job on my Explorerjust Instagram account. I've had that account for probably around 10 years, and in that time it's grown steadily, but this year it changed. My account had grown from 0 when I started it to just over 13,000 followers, I think it was. There was a good level of interaction, comments, likes, shares. There was a good level of viewings, and I was getting new followers every day. I never bought followers or did that whole follow for a follow back and then unfollow in a bid to make your following count look high, but you're following very few people. It's a bit self-important and it's just not me. I wanted to keep my following organic and authentic. Something a bit odd happened on my account early this year, and with the benefit of hindsight, it was probably one of the first signs, if not the first sign, that something odd had happened. A guy that I'd been following for a couple of weeks sent me quite a stroppy message and accused me of doing this kind of follow-unfollow thing because I'd unfollowed his account. The truth is that I hadn't purposefully unfollowed him at all, but I did accept that maybe I'd done so by mistake. However, by the time I tried to reply to his message, he had already blocked me. Then, again, earlier this year, my Instagram account was suspended, apparently for some breach of rules. I had no idea what rules I breached. I tried contacting Instagram, but I couldn't find any answers. I appealed and my account was reinstated, but I did have quite a lot of limitations. I couldn't post, I couldn't like anybody's posts, and I certainly couldn't follow anybody else. After a while, those limitations were lifted. I could post, I could like other people's images, and I could follow, but my account had definitely changed. I went through a period of rapid negative growth. In other words, I lost loads of followers, and the number of interactions on my posts dropped significantly. I limped on posting, liking, commenting, doing everything that I usually did, and still trying to work out what I was doing wrong because my account was very different. I turned here to YouTube looking for answers. I started watching loads of videos, a whole ton of videos by experts on Instagram, trying to find out what I'd done wrong and what I could do to fix it right. Then a couple of weeks ago, I was sat right here in my office, scrolling through my Instagram feed, looking at posts, and suddenly realised that a lot of the posts that I was seeing, I had absolutely no interest in. And when I clicked onto the account holders of those posts, I knew very well that I wouldn't have followed those accounts. They weren't accounts that were necessarily doing anything wrong, but I had no interest in them. And I'm pretty sure that they would have no interest in me. And it was then that I finally realised, that my account had been hacked. So I went back to YouTube and I did another load of research. But I didn't get too many answers. It looks like whoever had hacked into my account had bulk followed thousands of accounts, and that could explain the breach of Instagram rules that got me suspended earlier in the year. And to make sure that I didn't notice too quickly, they unfollowed loads of accounts that I do genuinely follow to try and keep that kind of number balance right. So when I looked at my home screen, the numbers looked roughly the same. The only reason that I can come up with for somebody to hack into my account like this and bulk follow loads of followers is if that person is part of some kind of bought followers scheme and they were using my account to follow accounts that had paid them to follow them. Do you follow me? But aside from that, I've got nothing. I've got no idea other than that why anybody would want to hack my account in that way. To start putting it right, I've changed my passwords, I've changed the email that I use for Instagram, and I've started to thin out all of the accounts that I know I wouldn't have followed. But I don't know what else to do, I don't know what else to change, and I certainly don't know if the damage that's been done to my account in this period is irreparable. If you've got any answers to this, any thoughts, any ideas, any opinions, then please do let me know, or tag in somebody that you think may know, and that could be helpful too. Guys, thanks for your help. As always, be good, be brilliant, be awesome, and remember, if I can help you in any way, get in touch, let's have a conversation and make good stuff happen. See ya.